In this video, you will learn to redirect a path from your existing website to a path on Find platform. Moreover, you will also learn how to reuse your existing domain and redirect it to a new domain on Find platform, if required. Now, this is a website created on Shopify. As you can see, we have used a custom domain, and not the one given by Shopify. Let's note down this domain somewhere. Next, let's look at a path that we want to redirect. On the Deals page, we have a couple of products. Let's note down the path of this page. Since we want to move our domain as well as the path, we will delete our domain and subdomains from Shopify. As you can see, the path and the domain are not accessible anymore. Now, we will visit the domain provider account for the given custom domain. Go to the DNS settings. In the CNAME record, remove the earlier URL and enter your own domain. Delete all the existing A records and TXT records. Now, let's go to Find Platform. Select a sales channel. Go to its settings. Click Domains. Proceed to add domain. Go to the Custom Domains tab. Enter your domain. Click this button. Now, let's perform the suggested steps. We have copied the TXT record. Now, let's go back to the DNS settings in our domain provider account. Add the TXT record correctly as shown. Next, let's copy the A record. Add the A record correctly as shown. Now, let's copy another A record. Add one more A record correctly as shown. Now, go to the DNS Checker website. Enter your domain name here. And click the search button. Verify if the DNS records shown here match with those that you have entered in your domain provider account. Return to Find Platform, and click this button. Your old domain has been added successfully on Find platform. You may visit the domain to see if it is linked correctly. Once again, go back to the settings of your sales channel. Select Redirections. Here, we have the option to redirect the domain, and also for redirecting the path. First, let's look at redirecting the path we had in Shopify. Let's select the domain we have added just now. Here we need to add the redirection paths. From will be the old path. To will be our Find platform path. Assume that there's a collection in our marketing section. Let's copy this path. Go back to the path redirection. Let's quickly note down the path we copied. As written in the note, we will now enter the domain, the source path, and the destination path. Save the details. As you can see, redirection is available now. Henceforth, if users visit the old Shopify path, either knowingly or unknowingly, they will be redirected to your new path on Find platform. The old path is being successfully redirected to a new path that we have entered here. Now, if you want to redirect the domain, you can do it from here. If you remember, here's the domain we have reused. You can select an existing domain from Find Platform. You get the option to make this redirection temporary or permanent. Save the details. Now if you visit this domain, you'll be redirected to a new domain. If your customers enter your earlier domain in the address bar, they will be redirected to the new domain. Note that this will also affect your path redirection. For example, if someone visits your old Shopify path on old domain, they will now be redirected to a new domain and new path on Find Platform.